Hi guys, it's Destiny. Thanks for clicking on my video today. I had a project share I wanted to do for some gratitude journals or whatever you want to call them. I know it's June, but I'm already doing fall crafting and I just don't want to hear it, okay? It's what makes me happy. So I did these little half composition notebook gratitude journals. I mean, people call them gratitude journals. It's really just because they're fall themed. You could do whatever you want with them. So for these, let me pull it out. I should have been prepared. Okay. Most of the paper for this is this paper pad that I got on clearance from Michael's. It's Western Harvest. I actually really strongly dislike this paper pad. The colors are ugly and it just is not that great. However, I did pull in some other extra papers, and then the cut aparts obviously are from it's from Cartabella Welcome Autumn. Anyway, so let me just flip through those really quick. Okay, so we'll just start with this one. So I also made these little paper clips as well, little velvet paper clips. And I will link the tutorial that I followed down in the description bar. I actually first saw these from a creator called Tiffiny Ulster, I want to say. But Karolina's Crafts has a really easy to follow tutorial. So that's the one I'm going to link below. I'll link both of them, but Tiffany's is more of like a craft along with me, and she's really sweet, but it's a longer video and harder to figure out what you need to do. And then I finally got a little logo sticker, so how cute are those? These will be available for my Etsy shop at one point. I just don't know, like, is it too soon to post fall items? So I don't know. So these are the dividers. There's 3 divider pages. Little paper clip. The middle divider has a little pocket and another tag with some seam binding on it. And then the stickers as well are like a collection of stickers from this collection and some other just like random Echo Park sticker sheets that I had. So I was just trying to use up some of those. So that's the first one. And they've got these cute little gemmies that like match the pumpkins. Thought it was adorable. And then this one is Grateful Hearts. And this paper is actually just from that same Welcome Autumn collection by Cartabella. And then this is also not from that. This paper pad, it was so dark. It was just all dark stuff, and so it didn't look good. So this is from a different random 6x6 paper pad I had. This is from a different Michael's fall collection. I had to pull kind of from all over. But they all have the general same formula as far as 3 dividers and the like how they're designed. And then there's the back of that one. And this trim is from Hobby Lobby. I think it's so pretty. This one might be my favorite like outside cover. I just love it. I love the blue. Okay. Pretty. I mean, I might as well just post them in my Etsy now. Doesn't mean they're gonna sell. Oh, I need to put this somewhere else. Put that in the back. And then this tag is like the one I did first, and so I did it different than the other ones, but I like the other ones better. And they all have eyelets in the middle tag, but not the one in the front pocket. Okay. I guess I could just put that there. And that's that. And then this is the last one. I also really like this one. These two are like equally my favorite. This one says Autumn is Here, and it just has some little gems. Pretty. See, like this paper is from a different collection because this is just all dark. It was like dark maroon, dark green, dark brown. This is like the lightest color paper you can find in it. So it was a little bit difficult. And I had so much fun making these guys. I have a button press, so I was just like testing out my button press, and then I made a bunch of fall ones, and so then I was like, well, now I should make some of those gratitude journals because the little buttons turned out so cute. Anyway, those are all of them. I love them. I know it's a little early to do fall crafting, but I'm gonna be doing the paper stash smash challenge in July where you do Christmas. So it just felt right to like get some of my fall crafting done in June if we're doing Christmas in July, right? That makes sense to me. So anyway, let me know which one's your favorite. And like I said, I will link all of the, various videos and tutorials that inspired me below, as well as the products that I used will be in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.